you know, we've got some native stuff coming through, guys. Yeah, I'm quite surprised that now we've got rid of the 10-foot tall bamboo, this willow started to sprout through. Ancient willow. This is really good signs for me, personally. It's nice to see that things are starting to grow through, and it's been just a couple of months. So if we hit these areas every year, we're making a difference. Bryngarw Park is one of the best destinations in South Wales. 113 acres of amazing habitats and ecosystems. We've got some of the best facilities in South Wales for families, and we're open 365 days, so you can visit this park all year round. And with each season, there's something new to discover. The main task for us as rangers and the volunteer groups is to eradicate some of the invasive species that have just overtaken almost all sections of the park. So we've got 4 main types of invasive species here: balsam, the Japanese knotweed, bamboo and rhododendron. None of it is native, so we're extensively trying to eradicate or control as best we can each different invasive species in each different section of the park. So we're going to go up into the woods this side today, just an area we've never been before. And what we'll do with it, we know how soft it is, it's really soft, but with the slashers, we'll try and hit it underneath there so it doesn't grow from our point then. If you hit it here and leave it in the ground, it can start sprouting again. Exactly. Yeah. So if we hit it down there as low as we can, it won't, it'll kill it off for now. Right, let's go.
Bryngarw has been great for me, and I think it's great for the rest of our group because we keep coming. If I hadn't had Bryngarw, I don't know what I would have done. And volunteering has given me that feeling of making a difference.
This is such a successful and vigorous growing plant. It's taken over this whole area, where if this wasn't here now, there would be more bluebells or, you know, wild UK native wildflowers underneath. So it grows up so high, the leaves are so big, it just casts shade on the ground floor, and it just outcompetes and outshades all native species. So this is why we need to get rid of this invasive species. The little bits we do continuously with the volunteer groups and the trainees and us as rangers really does help.
Volunteering gives me a place to come, made quite a few friends for it, and it's just one of the places where, you know, you can forget about whatever's going on. It just makes me feel happier.
I'm so proud of the effort we put in as a ranger team, the effort that the volunteers put in. What we are doing here, management-wise, on a daily basis, is so key to the upkeep of the park and to keep the park like a destination of choice and a really brilliant place to visit all year round.